Which movement marked Mahatma Gandhi's entry into Indian national politics? The correct answer is A, that is Champaran movement. So Champaran was the first of three movements during 1917 till 1918 in which Mahatma Gandhi entered in Indian politics. In that, Gandhi marked the entry and civil disobedience in Indian politics. Jawaharlal Nehru declared Purna Swaraj at, the correct answer is C, that is Lahore, 1929. So, Indian National Congress passed the Purna Swaraj resolution on 19th December 1929 and it was a Lahore session. A public declaration was made on 26th January 1930. Who has built the Jama Masjid? The correct answer is A, that is Shah Jahan. So, it was constructed in 1650 to 56 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan and a noted patron of Islamic architecture whose most famous work is the Taj Mahal in Agra. Who was the last Governor General of independent India? The correct answer is B, that is C. Rajagopalachari. So Rajagopalachari was the last Governor General of India as India became Republic in 1950 and he was also the first Indian born Governor General as all previous holders of the post were British nationals. Who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? The correct answer is D, that is Sri Gupta. The Gupta Empire was an ancient empire which existed from the early 4th century CE to late 6th century CE. This period is considered as the golden age of India by historians. So the ruling dynasty of the empire was founded by the Sri Gupta and their more rulers of this dynasty were Chandragupta I, Samudragupta and Samudragupta II, also known as Vikramaditya. The theory of economic drain of India during the British rule was first put forth by. The correct answer is A, that is Dadabhai Naoroji. So Dadabhai put forward the drain of wealth theory in which he stated that Britain was completely draining India and he mentioned this theory in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. He stated the loss also of 200 to 300 million pounds of revenue to Britain. In which year did Sikkim join the Indian Republic? The correct answer is D, that is 1975. So Sikkim became the 22nd state of Indian Union and the monarchy was abolished. And the date is 16th May 1975. And to enable the incorporation of the new state, the Indian Parliament amended the Indian Constitution. In 1866, Dadabhai Naoroji has founded East Indian Association in the following city. The correct answer is B, that is London. So, Dadabhai Naoroji founded the East Indian Association in 1866 in collaboration with Indians and retired British officials in London. The system of diarchy was introduced in India in, the correct answer is C, 1919. At which place in Bengal was the East Indian Company given permission to trade and build a factory by the Mughals in 1651? The correct answer is B, Qasim Bazar. At Qasim Bazar in Bengal was the East Indian Company given permission to trade and build a factory by Mughals in 1651. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? The correct answer is A, that is 1757. The exact date is 23rd June 1757. So the Battle of Plassey was a decisive victory of the British East India Company over the Nawab of Bengal? Arrange the following in chronological order. The correct answer is D. So, the first one is Ilbari dynasty, which is 1206 to 1290. Then second one is Khilji's dynasty, which is 1290 to 1320 AD. Then third one is Tughlaq dynasty, which is 1320 to 1412. Then fourth one is Sayyid's dynasty, which is 1450. And then last one is Lodhi dynasty, which is 1451 to 1526 AD. Which journal was published by Gandhiji while in South Africa? The correct answer is A, that is Indian Opinion. So Gandhiji's first newspaper, the Indian Opinion, was formed in 1903 as a mouthpiece of the Natal Indian Congress. Chanakya is also known as, the correct answer is C, Kautilya. He is traditionally identified as Kautilya or Vishnugupta, who authored the ancient Indian political treatise, the Arthashastra. Who was the first chief election commissioner of independent India? The correct answer is A, that is Sukumar Sen. Sukumar Sen was an Indian civil servant who was the first election chief commissioner of India, serving from 21st March 1950 till 19th December 1958. In which year did the Six-Day War between Israel and the Arab nations start? The correct answer is A, that is 1967. This war was an armed conflict fought from 5 to 10th June 1967. This is fought between 5th to 10th June. Where did the rebellion of 1857 took place? The correct answer is A, that is Meerut. So, first war of independence, widespread but unsuccessfully rebellion against British rule in India in 1857 till 59. The two civilizations which helped in the formation of Gandhara School of Art are, the correct answer is D, that is Indian and Greek. So, the school represented a blending of Indian and Greek art, and it is called as Gandhara art because this style originated in Gandhara region. Who was the emperor who was imprisoned by his son till his death? The correct answer is D, that is Shah Jahan. So, Shah Jahan recovered from his illness, but Emperor Aurangzeb put his father under house arrest in Agra fort from July 1658 until his death in January 1666. So, it is like July 1658 till January 1666. When did the first battle of Panipat take place? The correct answer is B, that is 1526. And this first battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and the Lodhi Empire. And the date is 21st April 1526 in North India. This was one of the earliest battles involving gunpowder, firearms and field artillery. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.